Heading into 2026, the hardest part of running a CPA firm isn't finding talent, it's protecting throughput. So before you choose an accounting outsourcing partner, check these 7 workflow gaps. Gap 1. The month-end close. If your closes slip when volume spikes, your bookkeeping isn't scalable yet. Ask, are our closes documented and on time every single month? Gap 2. Busy season capacity. If tax season means overtime and burnout, you're staffing for the average and paying for the peak. Can you flex up for tax preparation and filing, then flex back down? Gap 3. Payroll compliance. Multi-state rules and unforgiving deadlines make payroll pure risk. Is every filing accurate and every liability reconciled? Or is payroll outsourcing the safer path? Gap 4. Cleanup and catch up. New clients almost always arrive months behind. How big is your backlog? And do you have a repeatable accounting cleanup and review process to clear it? Gap 5. Software and standardization. If every client's QuickBooks or Xero file is set up differently, your team loses time on every one. Strong QuickBooks and Xero support makes work move the same way every time. Gap 6. Review and quality control. Speed means nothing if quality is inconsistent. Is there a defined, multi-level review before anything reaches a client? Gap 7. Scalability. Can you add trained capacity in days, not months? Well-run remote accounting teams turn fixed labor cost into flexible capacity you control. That's where OBG Outsourcing comes in. A white-label partner for bookkeeping, tax, payroll, cleanup, and QuickBooks and Xero support, delivered under your brand with a 3-level review on every file. 7,000 clients served, 200,000 hours delivered, and 50 to 70% lower cost than hiring in-house. Check your 7 gaps, then close them. OBG Outsourcing. Visit oboutsourcing.com.